What up, family? This is your boy Ivan Hall, the Credit King. Do you need a loan but you have real low credit scores? Say around 580 or so? Well, this next company has been known to give personal loans to people with very low to fair credit. Now, I'm not going to lie. The interest can be a little high, but if you borrow the money right, you should be alright. Avant is one of the largest online lending platforms to focus on consumers with low credit scores. The Chicago-based company caters to the typical middle-class American consumer, says Avant president Adam Hughes. The lender requires a minimum credit score of 580, while most of its customers have a credit score of between 600 to 700. According to the company, about half of Avant's borrowers take out loans for debt consolidation. Its loans can also be used to fund home improvements and cover unexpected expenses. Available loan terms are between 2 and 5 years. Avant says some customers may be eligible to refinance their loans to get a higher loan amount and possibly a reduced rate. Customers need at least 6 months of on-time payments on a loan to qualify for refinancing. The lender reports payments to all 3 major credit bureaus. On-time loan payments can help your credit score. Borrowers can make additional monthly loan payments and can change their payment date during the lifetime of the loan. Avant has a phone number and email address for customer service. The company says it measures response times and tries to improve them. In April 2019, Avant agreed to pay $3.85 million to settle a Federal Trade Commission lawsuit alleging the company withdrew unauthorized payments from consumers' bank accounts and collected additional money even after a loan had been paid off. You might want to keep an eye on your bank account for this because the company withdraws its payment directly from your bank account. Avant offers a mobile app for iOS and Android. The company says borrowers can use the app to make payments, see upcoming payments and their payment history. Avant doesn't allow borrowers to add a cosigner. Cosigners can help borrowers who can't qualify for a loan on their own get access to credit. So, if you are in need of some quick cash and you can live with a higher than normal interest rate, Avant might be your go-to place to get money now. You can also pre-qualify to see if you are approved for financing without hurting your credit. Now that you know, go get that money.